Ever wondered how filmmakers or game designers can magically change the lighting in a scene after it's been filmed? Or why some photos look like they were taken at sunrise, while others feel like midday? What if we could edit light itself, like adjusting the sun's angle or making shadows dance? That's the wild world of relighting. And today, we're diving into a groundbreaking new technique called GaRe's that's rewriting the rules of outdoor lighting magic. Let's start with the basics. Traditional relighting methods rely on detailed 3D models of scenes. Think of them as digital blueprints. But here's the catch. Building those blueprints is super time-consuming, especially for real-world outdoor scenes with dynamic elements like trees, buildings, and unpredictable weather. Plus, once you've got that model, tweaking the light feels like trying to paint with a broken brush. Enter GaRe's, a smart new framework that skips the messy 3D modeling and instead uses something called 3D Gaussian Splatting. Imagine hundreds of tiny, glowing particles, Gaussians, floating in space, each holding clues about color, light, and shadow. By analyzing a bunch of photos taken under different skies and times of day, GaRe's teaches these particles how to recreate the scene's lighting in real time. It's like giving a computer a rainbow of light and letting it mix the colors however you want. But here's the real trick. GaRe's doesn't just fake the light. It decomposes it into its core ingredients. Think of it like breaking down a smoothie into fruit, ice, and syrup. The framework separates sunlight, skylight, and indirect reflections, those tricky bounces of light off buildings or the ground. By isolating these elements, GaRe's lets you tweak them individually. Want to make the sun brighter? Shift the sky to a sunset hue. Or soften shadows to mimic a cloudy day. Now you can. How does it work? Let's break it down. First, GaRe's uses a residual-based method to spot where the sun is hitting the scene. It's like comparing a photo taken at noon to 1 with just ambient light. Any differences? Those are the sun's fingerprints. Then it applies a region-based supervision system, which acts like a teacher, guiding the Gaussians to learn how light behaves in different parts of the image. Finally, it uses ray tracing to simulate shadows with surgical precision, making sure every leaf's shadow looks natural. The results? Stunning. GaRe's doesn't just mimic real light, it enhances it. You can switch between day and night in a heartbeat, adjust weather conditions, or even make a static photo feel like it's alive with changing light. And because it's all done in real time, this tech could revolutionize virtual reality, video games, and even how we edit photos. So next time you see a scene that feels too perfect, remember, it might not be magic. It could be GaRe's, the digital alchemist turning light into art. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of visual storytelling together.